edit and loop it. Studios live at the podcast vibe. From weddings to worship, we keep dreams alive. Honesty Media, we bring it to life with the sharpest cut.
Okay, hello guys, you're welcome to Honesty Media. Now, shout out to Sir Adams. Sir Adams just asked a question that I've already made a video on that. He said how to connect Easyworship to OBS. Okay, so well, try to interact more on YouTube. Okay, so how to connect the Easyworship to OBS. Now, normally a lot of people don't know this. If you close Easyworship, it will turn off the output of the Easyworship from the screen. But if you do this kind of settings, it will always interact with your church members. So if you open Easyworship now, it will cover the screen. Forget about this one. This is just a screen. You don't forget this one. Let's use this. Okay, yeah. So if you close Easyworship, either Easyworship 2009 or Easyworship 2007, this is 2009. Easyworship 2007 do the same. If you close Easyworship, it will go out from the screen. And you shouldn't do that because it will always disinterrupt the church members. Okay, now this is what you have to do. Open Easyworship, okay, because we are going to connect it to OBS for OBS to send it. Okay, that's it. So let's go to this option here. This is the display options. Okay, click on this one and you're going to put it on custom position. So you look at this. You have primary monitor, secondary monitor. Forget about this monitor here. You are not going to see this. Okay, now you have only 3 options here: custom, secondary, and primary. Now the primary is your entire PC screen. Okay, and secondary monitor is this one showing up here, and the custom position is going to be on your screen, but it will be small. Okay, so use that one. That one is the best, more than this one. If you close Easyworship, it shouldn't go off and on the screen. Okay, so click on the custom position and click on OK. Okay, so it's on custom position. Look at this. You can see it's here. Forget about the OBS here, but you can see this is the screen. And let me close Easyworship and it will go off. You can see, but if you have it here on OBS and you put it on the screen like this and you go to Easyworship, it will not close and come back again. This is something that I did. That's why it's doing that. So don't worry. Okay, so let me just close this one. So let me close this one on OBS here. Okay, now let's go to Easyworship. Now you can see if I pop up the Easyworship, it's not going to show up on the screen. You can see that. So let me put anything here or another thing on the screen. Okay, so I've created a scene here. This is a scene for the Bible. Okay, now let me go to the sources on OBS. Sources, then go to window capture. Then let me name it Bible feed, or let's say Bible feed. That's all, and that's it. Window capture and select the window. You can see that there's live output here. Don't minimize this one. Okay, don't minimize the Easyworship. Okay, so window, select the window capture. Then I want the live output of Easyworship. Click on that and click on OK. It's here. Click on Control F. Boom, it's on the screen. Put it on the screen there. You can see. So if I on Easyworship and off Easyworship, it's not going to take it off on the screen. Okay, you can see this is something that I did, so that's why. So don't worry, it not do this. Okay, open and close, it will not disrupt the church service. Okay, so that's it. This is very simple. Bring in from window capture and that's all. Put your Easyworship on custom position and you are good to go. Okay, so that's very, very simple. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, and shout out to you, Sir Adams. You asked this question, how to begin the Easyworship. Okay, so it is very simple.
That's right.